Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Verify it's an iPhone 6 battery above 20%, and a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, ensure you have the Apple ID email and password, or the original proof of purchase if credentials are missing. Power on the phone and proceed through initial prompts, but stop before signing in. This exposes the activation lock screen. Make sure to note the Apple ID shown. You'll need it for the next steps to remove the account after a restore. You now handle the core removal. If you know the Apple ID password, sign in on the device and turn off Find My iPhone in Settings, then sign out of iCloud to remove the account. Once signed out, restart the phone and complete setup. If you don't have the password, use iCloud. Calm while signed into the owner's account. Choose Find iPhone, select the iPhone 6 and remove it from the account. This clears activation lock and lets you proceed. Finish by erasing the device and completing setup as a new iPhone. If you removed the account online, erase the phone in Settings, General Reset, erase all content in Settings. Once done, set it up without the previous Apple ID. If activation lock still appears, make sure you have a clear proof of purchase and contact Apple support. They can assist after verifying ownership. As a tip, keep credentials secure and enable two-factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.